guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and follow us on our family adventures. Today we are going to go to a beach, but it's not just a normal beach, it's up our local mall, so we're going to go and see what that's all about. And come with us and see for yourself. Where are you going, Esme?
Nah.
What's that over there?
I'm swimming.
Swimming?
Swimming.
I think it's a little bit of water.
It's a bit swimming. And we got a slide. I like swimming.
Like that? What are you doing?
Me and Lucy are trying to make a sandcastle out of wet sand.
Is it working?
In a bucket.
Oh no, you need to put some dry sand in with it.
I know.
It's too wet.
The tiny one.
That's Lucy's, I think. Evie's coming now. You're going to play with Evie?
Well, you might get wet.
No? Go in the water then. In your lunch. What's that? I can't hear you, Esme. You've got a mouthful of food. Happy baby. Happy baby. Try this from... Ooh, ooh. Not so very well. What's the place called, Amy? What's the place called as well? Boxed fresh. It's from Chopstick. I'm doing an unboxing video. Oh my god! What is this?
Oh,
No, that looks amazing.
it looks like chicken nuggets and peppers mixed together.
Oh my god, I love you, Amy. Thanks for getting me this. So you got rice. So has it got rice in it?
It's got peas.
And noodles.
It's got massive peas.
Oh my god.
Very big peas.
We just had fun at the beach and now we're having a McFlurry and then going home.
I'm gonna get an Oreo McFlurry. Esme's getting an Oreo McFlurry.
Yeah.
Evie's getting an Evie McFlurry. Lexi's getting I don't know McFlurry.
Evie's too young.
Well, I still think it's possible. I can't wait to get in the nice cold shower and just relax in my bed watching YouTube. Yeah, it's literally all over me. Everywhere.
He didn't have sand in his pants.
Sand in my pants.
Just chilling. Chilling.
We had some more fun.
You had so much fun, did you?
Yeah.
It was actually a lot better than what I thought it was going to be. We didn't go
mean-
swimming. It was like a splash water place, wasn't it?
Yeah.
How much fun did you have? It's good.
I like tea.
It's really good, but literally you have to get there early if you want any seats.
sand on the sandcastle.
Made lots of sandcastles, didn't you?
Yeah.
But yeah, you have to get there really early if you want any
And
seats.
I saw eat some food.
Tell you in a minute. Yeah, the only thing is you need to get there super early if you want to get a seat. I got there just after 10. My friend got there at 10 and she got us 2 deck chairs. There was no like seats for that left. What would be a good idea is, yeah, you can get those little chairs from Asda that fold up and go. I keep them in the boot of my car, so you could take those and use them. But we bought our own buckets and spades. Only annoying thing was other kids would just pick them up and take them, and about 5 times we were going around looking for our buckets and spades because kids had just thought that it was theirs. Even adults were just picking them up and taking them off to where they were sat. And I was like, no, sorry, that's our buckets and spades. So that was a bit annoying, wasn't it? But apart from that, it was such a good day, and we're all chilling now. McFlurries. I'm gonna get on and edit a video in a minute after probably a cup of coffee. Oh, Esme was hard work today, weren't you?
Yeah.
She's definitely terrible 2s, terrible 3s. Evie, do you want some ice cream? You just have to ask Mummy. You want some? Here you go, Evie. Hang on.
Mommy, my macaron.
Is that nice?
I'm gonna make some cigars.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna make some
Miss,
cigars.
I always have a dirty face.
I'm gonna make some cigar.
Some sugar?
Yeah.
You're cooking, are you?
Yeah. Oh. 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 Broccoli? Oh.
Do you like broccoli?
No.
No, you're not having broccoli. What are you going to choose?
It's fine. Oh.
Potato.
Oh.
Tomato. Tomato.
Oh,
Do you know what that is? Onion.
Yeah, onion. Kirsty like onion, not good.
Should we try? Should we try and walk? Ready? You ready? Are you ready? Ready? Come on. Oh. You gonna walk? You gonna walk? Oh, oh, not yet. You're not ready yet.
I just like this.
I think Mummy's got a bit of a burnt face. Hey? Mummy kisses? Mwah. Ah. Thank you. Another one. You're so cuddly. You. Look how pretty your eyes are. You're so pretty. Should we go see what your brother's doing? And your sister upstairs. Should we go see what they're doing? Lexi, you gonna come down?
No.
No.
We are gonna see something. Oh, I need to wash my hands for a minute.
Hayden, what are you doing? Chilling up in bed?
Yeah.
What have you been playing with Legos?
Yeah.
Doing what?
Just been playing a game that I really
Why are you in bed?
Well, because I was just getting
Mama,
tired of my
let's get
foot
on your
being
bus.
You what?
My foot.
Oh dear. We're gonna have some tea soon. Is anyone hungry yet or not?
I'm hungry.
No, I'm not either. No.
What's that?
I wonder why Hayden's not hungry. I don't know. Why do you think Hayden's not hungry? Have a packet of biscuits.
I wouldn't say it's half.
I would say it's pretty much half.
Don't try this at home now.
Ew.
Huh?
Ew.